भैया अब ये बंद भी नहीं हो रहा, चालू भी नहीं हो रहा, बस ऐसा ये कल इंग्लिश में है ना, ये रुका हुआ है बस, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, बंद भी नहीं हो रहा। उसमें क्या करना, भी कुछ मुश्किल तो नहीं होता ना?
Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got the message by WhatsApp. One of my customer, he having AC issue. That AC super general AC, according to the customer it's showing EC error message, and I given over the phone instruction advice, but they are not able to troubleshoot, they are not able to switch in on AC. Because of that we will willing to go there. What is the problem exactly? Okay, we will go and check what is the problem exactly. Now it's continuously occurring, showing error message EC. From yesterday, customer yesterday gave a call. Now only I came. Now we have to troubleshoot. But I know this problem with the pipe sensor. But this model having together pipe sensor and room sensor together. Because of that, actually I came with the part. When I'm trying to stop the unit with the remote, it's not accepting remote also, it's continuously it's coming EC. The remote control also not accepting, we cannot switch on off. Now we have to remove the panel and we will check. Now I have to disconnect the display connector, harness assemble the all two filters, also all the screws from the panel, and we have to remove all the screws. So many screws are there here. This is display connector cover, also harness assemble cover plate. We have to remove this because we have to disconnect this one display PCB connector. Now I'm removing all the screws. Now I already disconnect everything, front panel. Now I have to remove the PCB cover, and because I have to replace the room sensor and temperature pipe sensor, it's this metal coming together. Now I'm going to replace this sensor, especially this is the sensor, the pipe sensor and room sensor, it's coming together, and now I have to replace these parts. After that it will be okay. This is the pipe sensor. Now I'm going to replace this one, and we have first of all we have to remove the here from the PCB, and now I already fixed the sensors, the room sensor and pipe sensor. Now I have to refix properly the covers, everything perfectly, otherwise we cannot fix the this is all. Now I have to fix the front panel as same before. This is the connector, display connector. We have to fix all the screws also again as same before. I have to fix the screws. Now I already fixed the front panel. Now I have to fix the filters, two filters properly. And also display connector cover, everything we have to fix as same before. After that finally we will check it is whether working or not. It's 100% it should be work, should start with the remote. Before it's not working with the remote also, it's not accepting remote, continuously occurring error message. Now it's okay. Now here is screws, 4 screws are here. That one also we have to fix. And all the locks we have to fix properly, otherwise it look like it's very ugly. Now finally I fix everything. Now I have to check with the remote control. Yes, it is accepting, it's working. Our job is completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.